na ni abaye kama no ho fepa ne ho twa ai Florence a wakodi Spain na sabre ne ho akadwamu Florence e wo Ghana ase no student and no teachers training college e wo north ho a otumisa brabo no manara no hu ne ye ne wo fa bi se wo be fa na ko Spain na nka enyame hihye anase na ya de pa anka ne bra no aboa na brabo akopa adwuma paye e wo Spain na wonim okodu Spain ne wo fa ne be fa no ekodu Spain no afedi ayese huhum bi abawura ne wo fa na enne de no ne yire Nigeria ni wo mo bono no mo ye ni se no mo hwehwe ni magu ne so afedi e wotankruwa pa ena ne wo fa no edi na tum nti dakro de ne wo fa ne bona ma o report no sa brochen so de report aya na nsembebre eno nam so ma ne wo fe e ka na si abonten asa bre otwa na ni ehwe benku ne nifa wo hu ne wonye ne ho kasa ne so won tempo na wanya adwuma mpaye na ni aye ne ntente sa mene so de awona ba papa awona kekere na yare pa na abebo na waja ba 5 years e wo Ghana so a wo bia ni wa wo hwe ne wonim se wo ba bebo brade akohwe ne busua e wo fie no na ensohwe se abeto na wo de na bisade kese pa e de abeto ntintan so obi wo kwan bi obetimi aboa no etwa ticket ama no ono Florence sapoma e de aba Ghana ofi brekum e de aba Ghana abebo ne bra o se enye kurante se payday Ghana ha say living na we live no e 100 times the same to see an ya ofamu e wo Spain ti Ghana for wa be hu video serewa mo fantage mpanimfo Ghana for mpanimfo no ne yemwa no so ano emedu Ghana miente ne no nsamra.
My name is Florence. Please, my fellow Ghanaians, I need your help. I am stuck in Spain and my living condition is not good. It was better for me in Ghana. I was a very good student in the teacher training college and my uncle came for me to bring me to Spain to seek for greener pastures. But he himself who brought me here was maltreating me. And then I was thrown out of the house. And where I'm staying, my living condition is no good. Please, I need your help. Whatever help that you can offer. I really need your help. I want to come back to Ghana. But I've not found a job yet to pay for a plane ticket to come. I've been seeking for help, but honestly, all the Ghana people that I see here that I think they can help, they've all turned back eyes on me. Please have mercy and help me to come back to my hometown. I really love to stay back in Ghana. So in God's own appointed time, if it is God's will for me to travel again, then it will come to pass. So please help me. My story is simple. I was brought here by my uncle with marriage papers through my cousin. But everything turned upside down. Looking for a job is no easy. Wherever I go, I've been bound to learn the language first. And I have ulcer too. And the winter has entered my body. I'm feeling very sick. Everybody has abandoned me. Because my uncle beats me and I reported him. So please help me in Jesus Christ's name so that I can come back to Ghana and live my good life that I used to live. Thank you. I used to stay in Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian. My name is Sapoma. I was a student teacher in the Upper West region of Ghana. And my uncle came to pick me up to Spain, seeking for greener pasture for me. He did well though, but when he brought me over, I don't know whether it's a spiritual attack or something. He started hating on me, beating me. A young woman, a very thick tall man beating me all the time. Whenever he sees me, he's angry with me, with his Nigerian wife. Please, I need your help. I need a ticket to come back to Ghana. Because it's not easy for me to find a job here to pay for my own ticket to come. I want to come back to Ghana and complete my education and look for good life. Ghana is not that hard. It wasn't hard for me when I was there. It was cool. Please help me. My fellow Ghanaians and my colleagues, help me while I'm still alive. The winter has entered my body and I feel very sick. No one understands my pain when I explain to people. They tell me You have to stay here. Europe is not good, but you have to be here. It's better than Ghana. But I know that when I was in Ghana, it was better. Please, I need a helping hand to come back home. So in God's own appointed time, when it is the will of God for me to travel, then I'll travel to a better place. My name is Florence. I need your help. I'm seeking help through Tvgh. And anybody who can help me out. This is not me. Everything has changed. I'm growing lean. Eating is not easy. Where I sleep is not conducive. Please help me to come back home. I have a 5-year-old son at home. I don't want to die and leave him in sorrow. Please help me to come back home.
Ebi say Florence would di 7 kwala say ebi say wanya brochira kono waba ebi say ebi pa kono omunya wono so na kosam na waka na obi bekọ ebe yie obi nso bekọ no enkoye yie ma no enti yesra mu obi wo ho mwa bia wonfa mbo ye nua ba esi a na wombra ne krum na omedi ne pa opa sabre kra nko wanka ne teacher waye teacher ni a ono so eye teacher age no oje no ne pain kakra kakra de hwe na busua yeso ye mo ano makra